What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the fast charging not working issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting, it will fix the charging issue, but if you are still facing the issue, then enable fast charging. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now tap on additional features, and here you will see a speed up charging button. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button, your phone will charge the battery fastly. But if you're still facing the issue after turning on this button, then check your charger and cable. So you can check it by charging another phone. So if it's not charging the other phone also, then it means it's your charger issue. So change your charger, and after changing, the fast charging issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the fast charging not working issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.